Buongiorno, classe. Today we're going to be learning about the calendar in Italian, and you're going to see how it's a little different from the one that we're accustomed to in English. Okay, so starting with the days of the week, we have I giorni della settimana. I giorni della settimana. I giorni are the days. Settimana is week. Starting with the first one, we have lunedì, lunedì, Monday, martedì, martedì, Tuesday, mercoledì, mercoledì, Wednesday, giovedì, giovedì, Thursday, venerdì, venerdì, Friday, sabato, sabato, Saturday, domenica, domenica, Sunday. As you can see here, none of the days of the weeks are capitalized because we never capitalize days of the weeks in Italian. Even in the calendar, they are never capitalized, only if they are the first word of a sentence. The Italian calendar also begins with lunedì, which is Monday. We are accustomed to at the beginning with domenica, which is Sunday. But in the Italian calendar, the first day of the week is Monday. As you can see right here, it starts with lunedì, and the weekend is at the end of the week. Okay, continuing on with the months. We have gennaio, gennaio, January, febbraio, febbraio, February, marzo, marzo, March, aprile, aprile, April, maggio, maggio, May, giugno, giugno, June, luglio, luglio, July, agosto, agosto, August, settembre, settembre, September, ottobre, ottobre, October, novembre, novembre, November, dicembre, dicembre, December. Now, as you can see, as going along with the days of the weeks, the months are also never capitalized, only in the beginning of a sentence, but never in the calendar and never by themselves. Most of these are cognates. Some of them may not look like cognates, like this one does not look like a cognate, but once I say Junio, it sounds like June. Most of them are cognates. Okay, continuing on to the middle of the page, we have a few key words or phrases we should know. The first one is oggi è, oggi è, today is, today is. Domani è, domani è, tomorrow is, domani è. Ieri era, ieri era, ieri era, yesterday was, yesterday was, yesterday was. Dopodomani, dopodomani, after tomorrow, after tomorrow. La settimana, la settimana, la settimana, the week. We saw that before. The week. And then we have c'è, there is, singular. Ci sono, there are, plural. Okay, c'è is if we're talking about one thing. Ci sono is if we're talking about more than one. Okay, going into the questions. Number 1. Qual è la data di oggi? Qual è la data di oggi? What is the date of today? In other words, what is today's date? What is today's date? On the line next to the question, you can write it in English. And then the line underneath it, you can write the response. Qual è la data di oggi? What is today's date? And you answer it by saying this. Oggi è il. Oggi è il. Then you're going to write the number of the day of the month, the 7th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, and then the month. Okay, 2 different words. So we have oggi è il, the number, and then the month. Okay? For example, oggi è il 11 novembre. Okay, I used a number here, and then I use the month Novembre here. Okay? Keep these blank, but just write number and month so when you refer back to it, you can apply it to any number and any month. Okay, so just put a line and write number and then another line and write month. Oggi è il, today is the. La prossima, numero 2. Qual è il giorno di oggi? Qual è il giorno di oggi? What is the date of today? Meaning, what is today's day? Or what is it today? Meaning day of the week. What is it today? What day is it today? And your response would be oggi è, and then the day. Oggi è the day. You can also keep this as a line because, again, it changes every day. Per esempio, for example, oggi è lunedì. Today is Monday. Oggi è martedì. Today is Tuesday. Okay. Oggi è, today is. And the question was asking, what is today's day? I don't want to say date, but what's today's day? What's today? Oggi è, today is. La prossima, numero 3 is just like numero 2, just like the one we left off. Qual è il giorno? You guys already know that. We did that in number 2. Qual è il giorno di domani? So instead of it being today, we're talking about domani, which is tomorrow. Qual è il giorno di domani? What is tomorrow? What is tomorrow? Qual è il giorno di domani? What is tomorrow? And your answer for that is going to be domani è, leave the blank. Domani è. Domani è. Domani è. What is tomorrow? Domani è, tomorrow is, and then the day of the week. La prossima, the fourth one is just like the first one. Qual è la data di domani? So instead of today, we're talking about tomorrow. Qual è la data di domani? What is tomorrow's date? What is tomorrow's date? What is tomorrow's date? And the answer is going to be the same as number 1, except we're going to change oggi with domani. So domani è il, the number of the month, the number of the day of the month, and then the month. Again, keep these blank, but write number and month. So when you refer back to it, you can just incorporate or apply it to any day that you're filling in that answer for. Qual è la data di domani? What is tomorrow's date? Domani è il, the number, 14, 15, 17, 22, 21, and then the month. Okay, 2 different words. Nothing is separating them except a space. Va bene? Are we good? Okay, numero 5. Quanti giorni ci sono in questo mese? Mese means month. Quanti giorni ci sono in questo mese? How many days are there in this month? How many days are there in this month? How many days are there in this month? And your response is going to be ci sono, blank, let's leave this blank, giorni in questo mese. Ci sono blank giorni in questo mese. Ci sono blank giorni in questo mese. There are blank days in this month. There are blank days in this month. La prossima. Quanti giorni ci sono in una settimana? How many days are there in 1 week? Quanti giorni ci sono in una settimana? How many days are there in 1 week? And your answer is ci sono 7 giorni. Ci sono 7 giorni.